Once upon a time, in a peaceful town, there lived a curious boy named Sam. During his summer holidays, Sam went to visit his grandfather, a wise old man who lived on the outskirts of the town. Sam loved spending time with his grandpa, playing and listening to his stories. One sunny afternoon, as they sat under a shady tree, Sam turned to his grandfather and said, "Grandpa, when I grow up, I want to be a successful man. Can you tell me how to achieve success?" His grandfather smiled, nodded, and said, "Come with me, Sam." Together, they walked to a nearby nursery. There, Grandpa bought 2 small plants and brought them back home. He planted one in a pot inside the house and the other in the garden outside. "What do you think, Sam? Which of these 2 plants will grow better in the future?" Grandpa asked. Sam thought for a while and then replied, "The plant inside the house will grow better because it is safe from dangers like strong sunlight, storms, rain, and animals." Grandpa smiled and said, "Let's see what happens." 4 years passed, and Sam returned to visit his grandfather again. Eager to hear the answer to his question, he asked, "Grandpa, last time I asked you how to be successful in life, but you didn't tell me. This time, you have to." Grandpa chuckled and said, "Of course, Sam. But first, let's look at the plants we planted years ago." They went to the plant inside the house. It had grown into a healthy plant, but it was still small and fragile. Then, they went outside to the garden. There stood a mighty tree, with broad branches providing shade to passers-by. Grandpa turned to Sam and asked, "Tell me, which plant grew more? Which one is more successful?" Sam replied, "The one we planted outside." "But how is that possible? That plant must have faced so many dangers." Grandpa smiled and said, "Yes, the plant outside faced many challenges. But dealing with problems had its benefits too. It had the freedom to spread its roots as much as it wanted. Storms and heavy rains made its roots even stronger. Today, it is so strong that a small storm cannot harm it. Meanwhile, the plant inside remained small and weak because it did not withstand the harsh elements." Looking at his grandson, Grandpa continued, "Always remember, Sam, that unless you struggle in life and face difficulties, you will not achieve true success. If you make comfortable choices and avoid challenges, you won't grow to your full potential. But if you embrace struggles and face difficulties head-on, no goal will be impossible to achieve." Sam took a deep breath, gazing at the strong tree. His grandfather's words echoed in his mind, teaching him that obstacles are not enemies but opportunities for growth and strength. In life, we often encounter challenges and difficulties that can discourage us. But like the tree that faced natural calamities, these challenges can help us grow stronger and more successful. The plant inside the house, shielded from all dangers, remained small and weak. The plant outside, though exposed to harsh conditions, became a mighty tree. This story teaches us not to be intimidated by challenges, but to embrace them as opportunities to learn and grow. The more difficulties we face, the more paths to success will open for us. It reminds us to take risks and step outside our comfort zones. Through challenges, we develop resilience and determination, essential traits for success. Overcoming challenges is not easy, and there will be times when we feel defeated. But these are only temporary setbacks. If we learn from them and keep moving forward, we will eventually overcome any obstacle. So, the next time you face a challenge or a difficult time, don't give up. Embrace the opportunity to learn and grow. Remember, the challenges you face today can make you stronger and more successful tomorrow.